Hello friends, I'm back with Bruce. It's Sunday today and we thought of making quick pizza snack. To make quick pizza snack, you need wheat, brown bread, cheese, butter, few healthy veggies, ketchup, pizza sauce, salt and black pepper. Take around 4 bread slices. Spread butter on bread slice using a butter knife. Cut all the veggies into small pieces. Put salt and black pepper as per your taste. Apply ketchup and pizza sauce on your bread slice. Meanwhile, keep the pan on low gas flame. Now put all the veggies on bread slices equally. Also put some grated mozzarella cheese. See, it's looking so yummy right now. Let's put some butter on the pan and put this yummy bread slice on it. You can also put 2 slices on the pan. Keep the gas flame low. After some time, your yummy pizza snacks is ready to eat. I'm going to eat my pizza snacks along with papaya. It's very delicious and I am loving it. Do try this recipe at your home and enjoy your weekend.